So we're going out this weekend. Alright. I'll be there, of course. Alright, I'm gonna talk to you later. Oh, child. I gotta wash this hair today. Are you done? I only wash my hair when I have somewhere to go and I want to try a new style. How about my hair is oily, dirty, and needs to be washed now? Wash day! I couldn't wait to try these new products. We just love wash day. Are you that type? Maybe you're there. I work out so much. My hair's sweaty, stink. How about you're on a regimen? It's Saturday, wash day. Let's go. What going on, guys? It's your girl Reza. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my wash day routine, and the first thing that I'm going to do is wet my hair. When that cold water hits you, boo-boo. So I wet my hair to loosen up any tangles that I may have, wash out all the product. Water is a moisturizer, so it adds back moisture into my hair to allow the products to work better. Make sure to get the water on my scalp as well, which is the best feeling ever. Don't front. Hold on, let me make sure y'all are seeing exactly what's going on. While I wet my hair, I'm going to have a detangling session. She has to be ready for the shampoo. Okay, she's ready now. Time to shampoo. I rarely ever co-wash. I have to clean my hair and scalp. I start by placing the shampoo on my edges. Then I'll divide my hair into segments. I have a lot of hair and I want to make sure every strand is clean. No strand will be left behind. We should all do what works for us. I realized when I shampooed my scalp only, I had a lot of product build up on other parts of my hair and my hair felt heavy and weighed down. Because I have very thin strands, but I have about medium density. So it looks like my hair is thick when actually it's not. I'm using a very moisturizing shampoo, so I can get away with detangling when I shampoo. If the shampoo is more on the clarifying side, then I won't detangle as much. But this shampoo is moisturizing, boo-boo. We got this. We're going to go over this one more time for the people in the back. Hello! Run the water on my hair. Make sure that my hair is detangled before I add the product on my scalp and on my hair. And then I'm going to slightly detangle, finger detangle with my fingers, obviously. And get the product all in my scalp and my hair. Have a massage session for the low, you know, the cheap, free. Rinse the shampoo out of my hair. I let the water do most of the work when I rinse the shampoo out of my hair. I don't really touch it that much. Clean hair for 1000, please. Thank you. Most times I skip right to deep conditioning unless my hair was extremely dry. For instance, if I were to go to the pool or to the beach, I definitely won't skip conditioning. I'm using my homemade deep conditioner, which I'm applying in segments as well. I usually have 2 or 3 on each side. In the shower, smelling like fruits, no berries. I have to finger detangle in the shower because if I cannot see what I'm doing, I prefer not to use any tools. Now time to shower and rinse all this product off of me. Lately, I've been deep conditioning with heat. I either use the blow dryer attachment or a hooded dryer. Today, I'm using the blow dryer attachment. I don't know if it's just me, but I can have a really hard time putting this thing together, keeping it on my head. It can be very uncomfortable sometimes, so no, you're not alone if you go through this. I'm gonna leave this on for about 15 to 30 minutes. I let my hair cool off for a couple minutes before I rinse it out. I take my time when I rinse out my hair to ensure that all the product has been rinsed out. Sometimes I do step back inside the shower and rinse it out. Or sometimes I flip my head over and rinse it out that way. Yes, for the moisturized and juicy curls. Come all the way through, boo boo. Come all the way through. Now it's time for me to apply my leave-in conditioner. If I were to try a new style that required setting overnight, then I would twist my hair into big twists with the leave-in conditioner only. Or sometimes if I'm feeling very lazy, I'll do that instead of going straight into my moisturizing routine. In these clips, you will see me spritz water on my hair before I apply my leave-in. I have to apply my leave-in on really wet hair. As I said previously, no strands left behind. We're going to apply that all over into segments to make application a lot easier. I didn't mention this product in my video before this because I'm still on the fence about it, but I think my hair actually really loves this product. Gotta moisturize the skin, take a little break, find something else to do, mentally prepare myself because at this point I'm tired. Some days I go right into my moisturizing routine. Lately I've been really into the LCO method. If you don't know what that is, it's basically where you use your leave-in first, as you saw me do previously, then you use a cream, and then you use a oil-based product. Also, now is when I'll use a detangling tool such as the brush that you're seeing me using now. So I do use tools on my hair, but mostly when I'm detangling, I can now see what I'm doing. I'm looking in the mirror now. I'm in my twist phase. I'm usually only rocking twist now. You guys will see me wear wash and goes from time to time, but twists are big, especially for hair growth for me. Very low maintenance. I get minimal breakage from wearing twist, and it's just an easy style for me. Thank you guys for watching. Drink water, mind your business, stay out of trouble, be cute, get your money, get your paper, stay blessed, stay kind, stay sweet, don't let nobody walk over you, be you. Bye.